Today I'm frustrated. Today I'm annoyed because IB, this is the worst thing about IB. Happened to me today in this video, which caused me to have a red day, which makes it even more annoying. Had, been able to get through it, would have still been annoying, but not as annoying. But because it directly caused me to be red today, it's super annoying. So we're going to break down what happened in today's video, show you the red trades. By the way, I am going to do this week's live stream tomorrow, and tomorrow will be my last day trading this week. Have some other videos planned for Thursday and Friday. So let's go, let's trade. Okay, so the trade today was here on coin. You can see it's making a pretty decent pop here. Wasn't officially hitting or anything on the scan there to my right yet, but it was making an okay move here up through 61. So I go ahead and get started short here on coin, 200 shares at 61. And my plan here for this one was to piece it out into 50-cent increments on my ads. So 61.50 would be another 200 share ad, and then if it hit 62 would be a 400 share ad, and then I would have a total of 800 shares short in coin at an average of 61 somewhere. But either way, so I'm in here and gonna wait and see what happens. If it came down, I figured I'd maybe put some take profit orders out just in case it does come down here. So I was thinking about like, where would I want to put those take profit orders out? And I just end up deciding on 60.75 and 60.55. So you're going to see me put those orders out shortly here once we get going. But it was kind of just so annoying what's going to happen here. And it's kind of hard to explain until you see it happen here in the live recording. So basically what happens with IB sometimes is they restrict your buying power of your margin or even just your cash. So it's really frustrating because there's no quick, easy way to see what any margin restriction is on any given ticker that I have found in IB. There's just none. It was super easy in Lightspeed because it was right there on the level 2. It would tell you exactly what the margin percent was on every single ticker that you were looking at. But on IB, it doesn't have that. You have to go through this long convoluted process to see exactly what it is. And then it's maybe not even correct, as from what I've seen. So it ended up being super restricted here on coin. So you can see what's going to happen here. It's going to push up towards 61.50, which is where I'm planning to add in another 200 shares. So it's getting up into the 40s, but I'm not going to click the button until it gets through that 61.50, as I always do it that way, just in case it does do a little bit more of a pop than I'm expecting. But looking for the move through 61.50 here on this coin move, and then I will be ready to go with the next 200 shares. You can see that's loaded as a limit order here in my order entry. So there's 61.50 there, it's through, and I click the button and my order gets rejected. I'm like, okay, well, maybe I had something in my settings wrong. Sometimes I hit one of the boxes and it changes my order route or something. So I tried it again there, got rejected again. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what's going on here because in my mind, there's no reason that this thing should have a margin restriction on it. I've traded this one a bunch of times before. It's not a super high price stock. I've got plenty of margin to cover the potential 800 shares that I'd be in here. It does let me get in another 100 shares, and that is the max that it would let me do, is 300 shares here, which is not even close to what my cash position is in this account. So that's really frustrating. And now obviously my average is only at 61.16. I would be up at 61.25, and then I would be already green on this trade and looking to partial it out, but really, really frustrating. And the part that comes into play also with this is knowing that I'm now in my max position size here. I'm just trying to get out, but I also know that I can't add in anymore if it comes up and goes higher. So I'm just going to have to put a stop in at the highs because I have no more margin left. I can't do anything with it. So it is going to come up to the highs here and stop me out for a $124 loss, which is super, super frustrating because I would have either been able to get out on one of these pullbacks, or it ended up going to 62 before it then made a really nice pullback, and I would have had my full size and been able to make some decent money on it. So either way, I would have been green on this if it wasn't for the margin restrictions here from IB on coin. So really frustrated with that overall. Pretty crappy way to end the month and have the last trade there here on coin. So that's going to do it for me. As you can tell, I'm kind of frustrated, so I'm going to go take it out on the weights in the gym, then come back later and trade from the new trading station, which the video for that will be coming out on Thursday. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be doing the next live stream. This week's live stream will be tomorrow. I won't be trading Thursday, Friday, or next Monday. So won't be trading Thursday, Friday, or next Monday. I'll be back next Tuesday for regular trading, and we'll do a live stream once next week. But do me one big favor, help me get over this day. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you later.